All right, guys, so basically we have some apple, ginger, lemon, right here. We're gonna make a weight loss tea recipe. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this. So stay tuned in and let's make this. Right here, we're going to put 1 cup of hot water. In the pot. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Very beautiful recipe, to be honest with you. It's a recipe which I make many times before, and yeah, I feel like I would have done it one more time tonight. Of lemon, we are putting inside of the water. Alright, so the lemon is a must. So I'm using 2 medium-sized lemon. You can use 1, depends on you, but I'm using 2 at the moment. And ginger-wise, I'm using 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. All right, this is a fresh ginger right here. So we got those 2 inside of it. Then I'm using 2 large apple, and I'm using red apple. You can use green apple also. They are both really good for when it comes to weight loss recipe. So if you are looking for making something like this at home, you're at the right place. Trust me. And I'm telling you something which is going to work really well for you. Yeah, man. This right here. You can also put some cinnamon powder in it or some cloves if you like to. Alright, and this is how it looks. Amazing and fantastic. Remember, guys, my book From Poverty to Purpose, it's on Amazon. So this, you want to drink this for at least 30 days. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. So I'm drinking this tonight before I go to my bed. Next one is in the morning on an empty stomach. Good vibes. So yeah, very beautiful recipe. If you're looking for something fantastic and an amazing, then this coming really handy for you. Definitely. So we're just gonna wait till it boil. And once it boils, then we're going to, yeah, we are good to go. Beautiful recipe this evening in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking. Yeah. Hopefully someone will love this recipe and also make it at home. And it's, I tell you before, I use the green apple all the time, but I have the red apple this time. I'm using the red apple to make this beautiful cup of tea with ginger and lemon. So I'm using 2 large apple, 2 medium-sized lemon, and a nice lovely tablespoon of, here it is, fresh ginger. You can also grate the ginger if you like to. Alright, you're gonna say, and how this works, Chef Ricardo? Oh yes, it do works, man. Yeah, it works, 100%. It works. Especially if you mix apple with garlic. That is another very powerful recipe where you can also make at home. Very beautiful recipe for you guys to try if you're looking for something amazing. All right, amazing. Sorry guys about that. All right, very fantastic one. Very, very unique recipe. Let's get this up and running. So it's coming to a boil. So what I'm gonna do, okay, I will close the cooker. I'm gonna lock it off now. Alright, so I'll lock off the cooker. Alright, see that? It's coming to a boil. Perfect tea for weight loss. Look at that. Lemon. That's the lemon I'm using, 2 medium-sized lemon. 2 large apple. And a nice lovely tablespoon of fresh ginger. Where's my ginger? See that? This is the ginger right here. That's what I'm using this evening. Beautiful cup of tea for you guys to try at home tonight. 100% effective. Alright, look at that. Something totally different, guys. It's just amazing to know what you can do with these beautiful ingredients. And also you can add cinnamon to it and cloves if you like to. I'll just keep it natural and simple as it is right here. Oh yes, look at that. Beautiful one. Look at that. That is fantastic. I love it. I don't know if you guys want to make this at home, but yeah, it's worth it, man. Yeah. Wow, look at that, guys. It's just, you can smell that and an amazing flavor. So beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very nice. Very simple. Yeah. So it's boiling and it's taking its time and it's going down at the moment. And let's thank you so much. So that's what's going on right now at the moment. Yes, so it is red apple, lemon, and ginger. So this is perfect for weight loss. A good vibes. Very, very powerful cup of tea. All right. So, what also can make the difference in this tea for who watching? Some people not gonna see it because you're gone. Is this, and I'm gonna do it. Okay. Put a few cloves in the water like this. Few cloves. And a little bit of a cinnamon powder. I'm gonna tell you something. As much as you can use cinnamon in your cooking at home, please use it, guys. All right, yes. Cinnamon, very powerful thing to make tea with. Help to lower the blood sugar and lot more. The list goes on. It's amazing. Okay, yeah, man. Some people not gonna see that bit, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Excellent. See that? That is amazing. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take it off of the heat. Okay? By simple as. Yes. Lots of people still asking me about the book. How can I get your book, Chef Ricardo? Oh yes, go over to Amazon and grab yourself a copy of my brand new book and read the story about Chef Ricardo Cooking, and you can learn so much. It's going to unbelievable. This right here in my hand. Okay? A good vibes. Now, this is the tea which I just made. And I'm going to tell you something. Yeah, very, very powerful cup of tea. If you're looking for something in the winter season like now, right? So we just simple pour it off. That's all. All right. And this is all of the goodie right here we use. Still can get another cup from this. This is the lemon. All right. Cloves, cinnamon, and ginger. Very, very powerful cup of tea tonight from Chef Ricardo. And this is it I deliver to you guys to drink at home. So you want to drink this 1 in the morning, 1 at night. 1 at night, 1 in the morning. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Repeat yourself for 30 days and drink it at home. Don't add sugar, sweetener, honey. Perfectly. You get weight loss, detoxing. If you're a moody person, this goes on really well for you guys. Keep you calm. Comfort tea this time of the year. All right? Yeah, man. So get yourself together, jump in the kitchen, and make this at home. Very nice recipe. Use what you have. The most important thing is the apple and the lemon. A good vibes.